Hey there, it's Steve from Bright Decking again. Today, I want to have a quick chat about tools needed to install a deck. Let's get started. First one, very important, tape. Getting things accurate. Mark it off. Measure twice, cut once. It's an old adage, and by God, you need to make sure you do it. The next tool you're going to use pretty much during the whole job is your electric saw. The most important thing with a saw is the actual blade. You need a blade that not used just for timber and rough cutting. You need to get a 64 TPI. You'll get a nice clean cut with the most teeth you can find. The other important thing you're going to have on the job, look after yourself. So make sure you use all the safety gear, get the safety boots, proper glasses when you're doing the cutting, gloves. The other tool that you're going to be using all job is a drill. Buy a good drill and a bit. You won't have to buy one, we will supply it. This is just another tool you might want. Yes, it's steel, but pretend it's a rubber mallet. You can tap the boards in if you need, but basically they do just slip in, or you can always just kick them in with your steel cap boots. The main thing is get them tight in and make sure, keep a line, watch them as you're going down the job, and they're even, and then you screw the fasteners in. It really is, it's a simple job. Don't forget the level and the speed square. Now, you need to ensure that the ends of the board are square and true. Otherwise, you're going to end up with butt joins looking like this, and you know, that's just a disaster. You can ticket boards up, blah, blah, blah. So the decking's hit the front line, and you'll notice a number of these containers have been delivered for your decking. They are unique. We designed them, designed for your decking, be it a timber joist or be it a metal joist. Everything in here is required to make a fastener-free job. So there you have it, basic tools. Just make sure you've got that level and square, a good blade. If you have any questions, have a look on our website, www.brightdecking.com.au, and you'll see a number of deck installations that we have videotaped. And even if you have to bring up the technical department, more than happy to chat to you anytime. Thanks for watching.